Class 7 SOF IMO Chapter 5 Lines and Angles. Mathematical reasoning question number 1. In the given figure not drawn to scale, AD and CF are straight lines. Find angle EBF. First, in order to do this question, let us revise some of the key points. When two lines intersect at a point, four angles are formed. Pair of angles such as angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4 are called vertically opposite angles. Here, if two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Using this property, we can solve this question. Here, angle ABC and angle FBD are vertically opposite angles. So, we can write ABC is equal to angle FBD. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees, which is equal to angle FBD. Now, we can split angle FBD into angle EBF plus 45 degrees. Now, using this, we can find the value of angle EBF, which is equal to 75 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 2. If AB is parallel to CD, then find the value of Y. Let us recall the properties of parallel lines and transversals. A transversal is a line which intersects two or more parallel lines at different points. Here, line P is a transversal to the line M and L intersecting at A and B respectively. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal, together 8 angles are formed. Alternate angles. The angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal and do not form a linear pair are called alternate angles. Here, angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6 are pairs of interior alternate angles. Here, angle 2 and angle 8 and angle 1 and angle 7 are pairs of exterior alternate angles. Corresponding angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the angles that are in the same position at each intersection are called corresponding angles. If one angle is at the top right of the first intersection, the corresponding angle will be at the top right of the second intersection. Here, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8 are pairs of corresponding angles. Co-interior angles. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the angle that are in the same side of the transversal are called co-interior angles. Here, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are pairs of co-interior angles. Conditions of parallelism. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then 1. Alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary. When we add two co-interior angles, the sum should be equal to 180 degrees. Here, angle BGF is equal to angle DHF, that is corresponding angles. So, we can substitute the value of angle BGH and equate it to the angle DHF and find the value of Y, that is 39 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 3. Which line is parallel to JI? Two lines are parallel when they never meet even if you extend them on both sides, and the distance between them is always the same at every point. And they also have the same slope, which means both the lines slant in the same way. So, according to these conditions, we can see that line CD is parallel to JI. Mathematical reasoning question number 4. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, AB is parallel to CD and angle ECD is a right angle. Find angle Y. Given AB is parallel to CD. Now, using the co-interior angle property, we can say that angle CAB plus angle DCA is equal to 180 degrees. That is, co-interior angles are supplementary. Now, we can find the value of angle DCA, that is 158 degrees. Now, we have found the value of angle DCA, that is 158 degrees. Let us recall some of the properties to further continue our sum. The sum of all the angles at a point, each being adjacent to next, is 360 degrees or 4 right angles. In figure, angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA is equal to 360 degrees. So now using this, we can say that angle ECD plus angle DCA plus angle Y is equal to 360 degrees. Since we already know the value of angle ECD and angle DCA, we can simply substitute their values and find the value of angle Y. So angle Y is equal to 112 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 5. In the given figure not drawn to scale, ABC is a straight line. Angle DBE is a right angle and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. Find angle A. Angle ABCD and angle EBD lie on a straight line. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees form a linear pair, AOB, which is a straight line. So we can say that AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, AOC and BOC make a linear pair. Using this, we can find the value of angle A. We already know that angle EBD is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. Since angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are equal, we can take them as x. So x plus x plus x plus x plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now simplifying, we will find the value of x, which is also equal to angle A, that is 22.5 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 6. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:7, then find the difference between them. Two angles are in the ratio 3:7. We can write the angles as 3x and 7x. Since they are supplementary, their sum is 180 degrees. So we can write it as 3x plus 7x is equal to 180 degrees. So simplifying, we will get x as 18 degrees. Since the first angle is 3x, we have to multiply 3 into 18, and since the second angle is 7x, we have to multiply 7 into 18. So we will get 54 degrees and 126 degrees respectively. They have asked the difference between them. Subtracting, we will get 72 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 7. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. If two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Yes, this is true. Statement 2. Sum of all the angles around a point is 180 degrees. False. Sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degrees and not 180 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 8. In the given figure not drawn to scale, SOT and POQ are straight lines. Find the value of A and B respectively. Angle SOQ plus angle QOT is equal to 180 degrees, since they are angles on a straight line and form a linear pair. So angle SOQ is equal to 45 degrees as given, and angle QOT is equal to A. Since we know that angle SOQ plus angle QOT forms a linear pair, we can substitute the value of angle SOQ and find the value of angle QOT. That is 135 degrees. We know angle SOP and angle QOT since they are vertically opposite angles, since SOT and POQ are straight lines. From this, we can write angle SOP is equal to 135 degrees. Using this, we can find the value of B, that is 74 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 9. In the given figure not drawn to scale, PQ is parallel to ST. AB is a straight line. Find angle BST. Given PQ is parallel to ST. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to QST, alternate interior angles. We can split angle QST into 28 plus AST. Using this, we can find the value of angle AST, that is 70 degrees. Given AB is a straight line, so we can write angle AST plus TSB is equal to 180 degrees. Then we can find the value of angle TSB, which is equal to 110 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 10. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. Which of the following statements is true? A statement, A is equal to B. Here A is not equal to B since A and B are co-interior angles. B statement, B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Here B plus C is not equal to 180 degrees because they do not lie on a straight line and do not form a linear pair. C is equal to D. True, C and D are alternate angles since CD is parallel to EF. D, A plus B plus C is equal to 360 degrees. We cannot say that A plus B plus C is equal to 360 degrees because they are not the angles around a single point. Mathematical reasoning question number 11. Study the given figure not drawn to scale and select the correct option. First one, PQ is parallel to RS. Second one, UV is parallel to WX. The transversal WZ cuts the lines PQ and RS. Therefore, angle OTZ plus angle TZY is equal to 120 degrees plus 60 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles that add up to 180 degrees. Since the co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees, PQ is parallel to RS. So, the first statement is true. The transversal RS cuts the lines UV and XW. And the points Y and Z, the corresponding angles are angle RYO, which is equal to 70 degrees, and angle YZT, which is equal to 60 degrees. Since the corresponding angles are not equal, UV is not parallel to XW. Mathematical reasoning question number 12. In the given figure not drawn to scale, find the value of A. We know that sum of angles around a point is 360 degrees. We can substitute the value of the given angles and find the value of A. A is 90 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 13. In the given figure not drawn to scale, find the value of X. Here we can see that CD is a straight line and angle COD is 180 degrees. From this we can write angle COF plus angle FOB plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. Angle COF plus angle FOB is X. So we can substitute those two values as X plus angle BOD, that is 31 degrees. Now we can find the value of X, that is 149 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 14. In the given figure, PQ, RS and UT are parallel lines. If C is equal to 75 degrees and A is equal to 2 by 5 of C, then find the value of B plus D by 2. Given C is equal to 75 degrees and A is equal to 2 by 5 of C. Therefore, A is equal to 30 degrees. Given UT is parallel to PQ. From this, we can see that C and A plus B are alternate angles. So, C is equal to A plus B. We already know the value of C and A. So, substituting, we can find the value of B, that is 45 degrees. Given RS is parallel to PQ. From this, we know that B and D are co-interior angles. We know the value of B. So, B plus D is equal to 180 degrees. From this, we can find the value of D, that is 135 degrees. Now, according to the question, we have to find B plus D by 2. So, if we do that, we'll get 112.5 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 15. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, AB is parallel to DE, find the value of A. Given AB is parallel to DE, therefore AD is a transversal. We can see that angle A and angle BAD are alternate angles. That is, angle EDA is equal to angle BAD, that is A, which is equal to 40 degrees. Which implies A is equal to 40 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 16. In the given figure not drawn to scale, find the value of X. We know that sum of angles around a point is 360 degrees. Using this, we can find the value of X, that is 45 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 17. In the given figure not drawn to scale, DAE, CBH and ACG are straight lines. DAE is parallel to CBH, which is parallel to FG. Find X and Y respectively. Given FG is parallel to DAE and AG is a transversal. Therefore, angle FGA plus angle DAG is equal to 180 degrees, that is co-interior angles. So we know that angle FGA is 70 degrees and angle DAG is we can take as x, and solve we will get x as 110 degrees. Given angle CBH is parallel to DAE and BA is a transversal. Angle BAE and angle Y form co-interior angles, that is 180 degrees. So Y is equal to 145 degrees. Achiever section question number 18. If RS is parallel to PQ and RT is parallel to UQ, then find the value of 8x minus 2y. Given RT is parallel to UQ and QR is a transversal. Now angle Y and angle QRT are alternate angles. Therefore, angle UQR is equal to angle QRT, which implies Y is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us find X. UQ is a straight line, so we can write angle UQP plus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle UQP is equal to 30 degrees. Given RS is parallel to PQ and RQ is a transversal, angle PQR is equal to angle QRS, that is alternate interior angles. So we can say that angle PQU plus angle UQR is equal to angle SRT plus angle TRQ. So we can write this as 30 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to x plus 90 degrees. Finding the value of x will get 30 degrees. Now they have asked 8x minus 2y. So if we do that, we will get 60 degrees. Achiever section question number 19. In the given figure not drawn to scale, AD is parallel to BC, JDK, GHCI, EABF are straight lines and parallel lines. Find 1. Angle GHD minus angle HDC, 2. Angle BCI plus angle HAB. Given JDK is parallel to GHCI and DH is a transversal. Angle GDH is equal to angle HDK, that is alternate angles. So we can write this as angle GHD is equal to angle HDC plus 48 degrees. Now we can find the value of angle GHD minus angle HDC, that is 48 degrees. Second one, angle BCI plus angle HAB. Given GHI is parallel to EABF and BC is a transversal, angle BCI plus angle CBF is equal to 180 degrees, co-interior angles. Using this, we can find the value of angle BCI, that is 114 degrees. Given AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal, angle CBF is equal to angle HAB, that is corresponding angles. So angle HAB is equal to 66 degrees. So angle BCI plus angle HAB is equal to 180 degrees. Achiever section question number 20. Select the correct option. A. If two lines are parallel, then pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversals are always complementary. If two lines are parallel, then pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversals are always supplementary. So the A option is false. B. If an angle is 60 degrees more than 3 times of its supplement, then the smaller angle is of measure 60 degrees. Let the angle be x, then its supplement is 180 degrees minus x. Given the angle x is 60 degrees more than 3 times of its supplement. So we can write this as x is equal to 60 degrees plus 3 into 180 degrees minus x. Finding the value of x will get 150 degrees. Supplement angle will be 30 degrees. So this is also false. C. If two angles can be supplementary if both of them are acute. If both angles are acute, considering max acute angle, maximum sum is equal to 89 degrees plus 89 degrees, which is equal to 178 degrees, which is less than 180 degrees. Therefore, both angles cannot be acute if they are supplementary. D. The measure of complement of 41 is 49 degrees. Complement of 41 degrees is equal to 49. Yes, this is true. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload.